Hey you! Don't watch that! Watch this! This is the heavy monster sound!
Hello guys and welcome to this new video. I'm Luke and I'll be taking you along with me at the Paris Air Show 2019, so let's get into this.
Well listen Buster, you better start to move your feet to the rockinest, rock steady beat of madness!
The car journey took us about 45 minutes, so I took advantage of it and browsed through the gram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, links will all be below. Our arrival into Le Bourget was pretty noisy, as the policemen were out with their whistles, but that did not change the fact that we were really pumped up for the show. Following what seemed like an eternal walk, we finally made it to the entrance and scanned our passes. We still had to walk another 5 minutes as we wanted to visit the planes before the crowd started to build up. After having met up with some fellow Instagram friends, we decided to all visit the beautiful silver ATR. The plane was brand new and only came for the Paris Air Show. The aircraft will be delivered to Silver in a week's time. After visiting the cabin, we also got to visit the cockpit. It seemed all clean and fresh. Following our visit of the ATR, we went into the press zone and visited the new electric plane. We then thought that it would be a good idea of getting to the press platform to not be left without any spots for the show. The view from the platform was outstanding. We all had a clear view on the planes when they taxied, took off and landed. We also had the time to have a sit down inside the media center and enjoy watching the nice shots taken by the Salon du Bourget. And of course, I took the time to browse through the latest posts on the gram. Once the media center closed, we went out to take some final shots of the parked aircraft. Our last visit was where all the business took place. All types of brands came to showcase their best creations. Back to our car, we walked past plenty of VIP chalets, where we suppose important people went. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.